In Odisha, Congress leaders took to the streets of Bhubaneswar with a Mashal rally demanding justice for lakhs of students affected by the NEET-UG 2026 paper leak. Carrying torches and chanting slogans, party workers accused the National Testing Agency of repeated failures in safeguarding exam integrity. The protest comes amid a nationwide outrage, with the Supreme Court issuing notices to the centre and NTA, questioning why reforms promised after earlier leaks were not implemented. Students across Odisha have voiced frustration, calling the situation mental draining and unfair. The Congress has demanded accountability from the Union Education Ministry, insisting that the sanctity of national level examinations must be restored immediately.